In this video, I will show you how to remove bus stops in Cities Skylines 2. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and remove bus stops is actually really easy to do. Now I've got some information that I found online, and this is from the official Paradox Wiki's website. So bus stops are actually free to place. However, the maintenance cost of the bus system will be related to the number of buses in operation. You can see some further information down here. But basically, to go ahead and delete or remove a bus stop, whilst you have the bus stop tool selected, what you can do is simply right click onto the bus stop. And what it's going to do is delete the bus stop. You can also hold down the left mouse button and you can drag and drop the bus stop if you want to move it. But to remove a bus stop, all you need to do is make sure you've got the bus stop tool selected, right click onto the bus stop, and that's going to go ahead and remove the bus stop on your city. So that is how to go ahead and remove bus stops in Cities Skylines 2. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.